Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'll be doing a fidget haul of all these beautiful and wonderful fidgets. These are my new fidgets that just came today. So let's start with the first fidget. This is a cupcake poppet. This side is really good. Let's move on to a blue and red pop tube. So, okay, let's see if we can do this. Wait. Okay. Next, let's do my triple dimple, I think. This is the poppy side. Now this beautiful pastel infinity cube. Wait. I'm gonna set it. Okay. So this beautiful pastel infinity cube. I'm gonna go get the next fidget. Okay, now we have this octopus. You can pop it and you can flip it. And this slinky. Okay, next we have a pop it fidget spinner. This pops are really good. And look, it's like a spiral and it could hypnotize you. Next we have a snake. This is like my second snake because now I have two snakes. And then we got some new textured monkey noodles. Next is our three little friends. I think this is like a seal. Comment down below what you think that is. I'm pretty sure it's a seal. And then this one, I don't really know, like maybe a pig or something. And my favorite of my new ones is a bunny. Okay, now we have a peanut popper. It's kind of hard to pop. And then we have 3 mini monkey noodles. Next we have this. I don't really know the name for it. And next we have this Pikachu poppet. It has really good sound. Last but not least, the best fidget of them all. You guys ready to see this? A big poppet. You heard me, guys. A big, I think it's a mega poppet. Comment down below what kind of poppet this is. Well, I hope you like this fidget haul. Bye.